everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rachel. Today I'm going to quickly introduce you to my monogram embroidery machine, how it works. This machine is a multifunctional purpose machine. It can do a lot of works, and it has different sizes of hoop. This is the smallest size. It can do like 2 to 3 inches badge, and also I have the next size to it, and it can also do like 4 inches size of badge or design, and the next size to it is this. On average, this one can do like 7 inches size of design, and the biggest size, which is this, it can do like let me say 12 to 14 inches size of design. Is a fantastic frame, and it can really serve you. So quickly I will tell you some of the functions. Like, as you can see, it has a mini touch screen computer that you can use to instruct the machine to do 1 or 2 instruction for you. And aside from that, it has a lot of parts like this. Now this is the bobbin. It has inbuilt it has reeler that you can reel your thread. And these, I have so many of these, up to like 20, though when I bought the machine, just like 4 or 7 that came with the machine, but I bought additional one. So I will take you through some of the work the machine can do. You will enjoy it. And let me, before I go to that, let me show you how the machine works. At times, this is the file where it stores its menu, and these are some of the work that I've installed or saved on the memory. It can use flash drive. You can make use of flash drive, and you can connect cord or cable to it directly from your computer or laptop machine. So, like I rightly said, that the machine can perform so many functions. So this is one of the things that the machine can do. It can write names on fabric, whatever you want. It can write it. Maybe you want to crest your vest, like birthday wishes, greetings, simple information. You can write anything that you so much desire. Don't forget to press the notification button, subscribe to my channel if you are the first timer, like, comment. Thanks for watching.